Dinosaur environments are always scorching. Much like how reptiles mostly live in warmer climates.
Where is Fort Pierce?
Starting with the crested lizard.
Bar?
The name of this dinosaur we're drawing is named Torvosaurus. Talk about en fuego. Did somebody say en fuego? No, I was talking about Torvosaurus. Why would I mention en fuego anyway?
Just like going to Manhattan.
I really like your photos.
It's far.
Oh, listen, are you busy Friday night? Cool. Can you take pictures of my boyfriend's car? I just really want to fix it.
Mostly Torvosaurus debuted in the late Jurassic. And, well, it mostly lived in climates that were mostly red.
That music in the background is disturbing to that and that.
Well, not momentarily.
No.
The point is, I got Torvosaurus done.
You need to draw fish. You got to start drawing really cool fish. That's what sells here. Beach towels, beach fish, beach umbrellas with characters. God.
I know, but you gotta trust me, I know what I'm doing.